how to see who rewatches your Snapchat story. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can see the who rewatches your Snapchat story. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store, and if there was any update available on your Snapchat, then you have to update your app on your device. After updating your app, then you have to open up your Snapchat. Here you have to click a random photo. Here you have to add a photo that you want to add in your story. Go for the story option. After uploading your story, you have to go for your profile. Then on your profile, you can see the my story option. So here you can see the I like option, that is who watches your story, not the person who rewatches your story. To see the who rewatches your story in your Snapchat, you have to get the Snapchat Plus. On the top right, there is a gear option or setting option. Click on that. Here are the many options on your account. You have to, under the email, there is a Snapchat Plus. Click on that and you have the two options on Snapchat Plus. Go for subscribe. So here you can see the variety of options when you process the Snapchat Plus. On the sixth option, you can see the story rewatch. You can see how many friends have rewatched your story. To see the who rewatches your Snapchat story, you have to process the Snapchat Plus. So here you have to process the Snapchat Plus to see the rewatches story on your Snapchat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.